Hey there, viewers. Welcome to my channel Dream Tarot. As you are seeing that I have already shuffled cards and spread them out. I will tell you one by one about all cards, but I will tell you first about the base cards, which is Seven of Pentacles and the Moon card. So you are very much confused over something. What you are ever doing in anything. It can be a relationship, it can be a work, or it can be a business. Whatever effort you have done before for your relationships or work, it is not giving you the result whichever you want. So it can be in relationship, it can be in work. So you are very much confused here. Things are very much confusing. Things and results are not as you wanted uh, it to be. So confusion and not getting the enough money of your work, or not getting the enough reward from your partner uh, um, in love relationship so this is the confusion when you are about to enter in a second week of December. So you are very much confused over it. Maybe it's a confusion over your money situation, whatever you have work you are done, you are not getting the enough result from this. So when you are entering in our second week of December, so you are dealing with the energy of Two of Pentacles and the Emperor. So Two of Pentacles is a card of confusion. As you are confused, you are confused. So if you are dealing with a person whose attitude is very much bossy, so you will be confused and juggle about this person's behavior. Sometimes this person is sweet, and sometimes this person is acting like a boss, and um, and anger person. So or it can be a father figure. It can be a father figure who is juggling between two things. This person needs to make some decision, but he is not able to make a decision. It can be you, because you are juggling here. So it can be you, and it can be someone in your family, or it can be your partner. Maybe it's a authoritative figure, whoever it is. This person is very much confused and juggle between two. So this person is not able to make a decision yet. So some decision has to be made. But in the center of your reading, you are having King of Cup and the King Knight of Wand. So maybe your partner is a water sign, Cancer, Leo, Scorpio, Pisces, and or maybe it can be your energy that you are holding your emotions within yourself and just um, playing a games. Maybe if you are confused over your partner's behavior, so this person is not showing their emotions to you and just play game to you. Maybe you think that this person is not a serious person with you. So maybe you are dealing with a water sign within who is around you. Someone is a player. Someone is player kind of energy. So you have to be careful about this person, or maybe you have to careful from this person. This person is a player, and this person will play game behind you. It's like confusion card here. The moon is a behind the scene work. So someone is doing things behind the scene to affect you badly, maybe. So this person is a player. They play game behind you. But crowning the reading is the Two of Wands and the Justice. Justice is clarifying by the Two of Wands. So some decision will made. Maybe there is a confusion about making a decision, but now decision have to be made, and it will be in your favor. You will get justice. Decision will be on your favor. So whatever you were or maybe whatever you are doing in this relationship, so you will get the justice. You will get justice, and you will see the result in your favor, if it's a work situation or if it's a relationship situation. So you have to be patient, and this painful situation can end. So you have to patience. uh, well, however, how much you have patience within yourself, so you will get over from this painful situation. Some kind of painful situation you will go through in the end of the week, but you need to be patient. You will heal. You will heal from this pain. You will heal from this situation quickly, because you are having temperance card, patience card, healing card. You need to be make yourself balance in your situation. So underneath that, you are having Queen of Swords, some kind of truth and clear. um Something will clear your mind, or maybe you are dealing with a Queen of Swords here, a lot of court cards here, so you are dealing some with air sign here. Maybe some clear cut communication can happen in this week, and whatever stability you were waiting for, maybe finances you were waiting for, these finances will, you can see the result, but slowly the result is coming slow, so you can see it in the end of the week, maybe, because you are getting the justice from before. You were not, but now you are seeing the results. So but some painful situation, it like that some painful situation will end here, or it's like that. If you can, if you are go through, you will go through in this kind of situation, very much painful, so you will heal quickly. So Leo, that was your reading. um, but I see that I have to clarify more things here. It can be like that, some kind of decision needs to be made here about the authoritative figure. So this figure will make a decision in your favor, and you will come out from this painful situation, because here is some kind of truthful communication and justice cast here. So you will have the balance in your situation, whatever you are going through. Maybe if this situation is going on with this person, you if you are dealing with this person, so you will get the justice over this person, or if not, then this person will play game again, which will give you the painful situation, but you will come out quickly from this painful situation, because the decision will be made in your favor. um, it's like that, confusion will end here, and you will see the stability in this second week of December. So Leos, that was your reading. If it resonates you, please let me confirm in a comment below, like my video, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.